According to a recent survey by Bankrate.com, 54% of Americans hold credit card debts from month to month, with half of them having been in debt for a minimum of 1 year. The sum of credit card balances carried by Americans has risen to hundreds of billions of dollars in the past few years, with annual interest charges that would bankrupt several small countries. While this has become a common trend where most people are trapped in a never-ending pattern of debt servitude, there are proven ways to eradicate your credit card debt for good. How? This video will show you the 6 best tricks to eliminate credit card debt fast. Number 6. Consolidate your credit card debt. You can benefit from credit card debt consolidation if you have multiple credit cards with outstanding balances to be paid off. This is one of the most well-known of all credit card debt elimination methods. Using this strategy, the user would take out another loan to pay off the whole of their credit card obligations. They will be charged an interest that is way lesser than the usual credit card interest rate of a whopping 25%. And the repayment plan will provide more clarity without the sneaky additional charges that credit card companies will slap on you. Number 5. Examine your credit card. Examine your latest credit card statements regarding the prevailing interest rates. Certain credit card issuers launch deals that provide lower interest rates for a limited time. Also, be aware of the annual fee that is incurred, as some will have exorbitant costs. A few credit card companies will cancel it for you when you make the effort to call and ask them. You can also opt to switch to a credit card with a cheaper interest. You will be surprised at how much you will be saving if you convert from a higher interest rate credit card to one that is lower. Even the tiniest gap in credit card interest rates can lead to huge difference in the amount of money you can save. Number 4. Develop a budget and stick to it. When it comes to credit card debt management, budget preparation is key. It will give you a bird's-eye view of where your money actually goes. Just like with any business, you have to have a record of the inflows and outflows of your money. Make it a habit to record your expenditures each time. You can level it up by being as detailed as possible. By doing this, you will see the accurate pattern and gravity of your spending. And in the same way, you can track the growth of your debt too. Once you evaluate which spending categories need to have some cuts, set up a budget limit on those items and make sure to follow them. If you find your budget isn't working for you, don't be discouraged and make the required modifications as it best suits you. Number 3. Settle the balances on your credit cards. As you are able to stick to the budget you created, you will have that spare money to pay your debt. Consider your options and devise a strategy for settling or at the very least lowering your debt. You can allocate half of the spare cash to paying off your debt, on top of the amount that you were already paying on them every month. Let the other half grow in a high-yield savings account or anywhere it can rack up a nice interest. The moment your debts are paid off, you will also have accumulated some ample savings. Number 2. Pay your credit card bills on time. Credit card issuers don't want you to be aware of it, but you only need to pay interest on the amount you owe when the monthly payment is due. For people looking to pay off credit card debt, this presents an excellent way to have the benefits of a credit card minus the hefty interest fee involved. Actually, if you pay on time, cut off extravagant purchases that take some time to repay, and keep your credit card debt low to none, you'll be amazed at how much you can save annually. Always make sure to pay off your balance before the due date on your bill. It's the most effective solution to avoid getting into credit card debt in the first place. This will also easily help you build up your credit score. Before we get to number 1, don't forget to hit the like button if you are getting any value from this video. With that said, here is number 1. Don't take on more than you can handle. Meaning, don't overextend yourself with your spending. If you abuse the use of your credit card, you will always run into debt problems. Debt management requires a lot of self-discipline. Don't be fooled by the glitz and glam of retail specials. They'll simply pull you deeper into debt. A lovely silver necklace may be nice to wear. However, its premium price will mean you paying it off for the months to come. If your goal is to cut costs with your credit card spending, frivolous purchases should be the last thing on your mind. For more life-changing videos like this one, Make sure to watch the next one as you will definitely find a ton of value from it. Thanks, and see you again.